Tires are something that we talk about a lot around here, and I guess that's because without them, we're not going anywhere. But when it comes down to it, there's a lot of brand choices and even more tires to choose from. And ITP is known for their continual evolution and innovation in the industry. They're constantly bringing new products to market and have had an almost cult-like following since the early days of the first Mud Lights that really set the framework for aggressive ATV tires. Today I'm bringing you yet another new offering from ITP, but it's unique in its focus. Why is it unique, you might ask? Well, a lot of tires try to be a jack of all trades instead of focusing on doing one thing really well. But when it comes to the ITP Terra Hook, it's focused on just one thing. And that one thing is ultimate high-performance trail riding. Designed with an 8-ply radial construction, the Terra Hook is confident at speed and built for puncture-resistant abuse from anything that your big horsepower side-by-side can throw at it. It features multi-angled, non-directional channeled lugs for ultimate grip in the stuff that we encounter on the trails every single day. Rocks, roots, clay, and fallen tree limbs. Now to test the Terra Hook out proper, we didn't go with some big 72-inch wide desert buggy because let's face it, they're not as good on the trail as, let's say, this Maverick Trail 1000 DPS. And the Maverick Trail is a true trail-dominating beast, and it's sure to provide the platform that shows off just how capable the Terra Hooks are. Currently, we have the stock 26-inch tires on, but for maximum ground clearance and optimum rolling resistance over trail obstacles, I'm going to go to a square tire setup at 30 inches tall, 10 inches wide on a 14-inch Storm Series Twister directional rim. There's no doubt that this combination looks great, and the directional pattern of the rim definitely adds style, but while style is good, ultimately what we're looking for is the best fit and function. The Terra Hook is available in 9 sizes from 26 all the way up to 32s. While the 30s we're running today sit nicely on this Maverick Trail, they are certainly delivering on the claims of trail performance. And the grip is especially noticeable in hard cornering when the vehicle is looking for maximum traction to resist sliding. The tire doesn't flex much because of the 8-ply construction with reinforced belts, but when the sidewall does squat, the alternating shoulder tread blocks lock into the earth and give you that confident and really hooked up feeling. Acceleration out of the corner and grip on uphill on-throttle climbs is big. There really is no shortage of earth-chewing traction here. Now all of this is great, but what about the average trail cruising speed ride of the tires? The Terra Hook's balanced tread-to-void ratio optimizes the amount of tread in contact with the surface to the open tread space needed to properly drain water and shed loose soupy mud. The result is a tire setup that doesn't dance on the terrain nor feel choppy. They roll efficiently and smoothly along, with effectively shedding water from beneath the tread. This is noticeable when you're riding over hard, wet surfaces like compacted dirt or flat rock, and it's evident not just from the feel through the chassis into the seat, but also through the steering wheel, where you really don't feel any vibrations, chop, or unnerving slippage. And surprisingly, over a long day's ride, the smoothness will actually allow you to ride with much less fatigue as compared to an aggressive tire with a higher or lower tread-to-void ratio. And when you're logging big miles, running high speeds, and just overall enjoying your day out on the trails, the last thing that you should worry about is your tire and wheel setup. And ITP stands behind their products. Heck, the Twister rims are covered by a lifetime structural warranty, and that's something that few brands will provide. When you're putting your money into new tires or upgrading to a complete tire and rim package for both looks and performance, you want to know that it's with a brand that's not just pumping out anything. ITP knows tires, treadwear, durability, and performance, and they're dedicated to delivering on all of those fronts, as we've seen firsthand for many years. They continue to push the industry with innovations and innovative wheel and tire designs. And when it comes to the aggressive trail rider looking for ultimate trail performance, I can say from firsthand experience, as you've witnessed today, that the Terra Hook delivers on what it claims. Thanks for watching Dirt Tracks Television. For more great content, click on one of the links on the screen and make sure to tune back every day for fresh new content in season on Dirt Tracks TV.